What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to break down your ACCT. So once it's time to break down the tree, we're just going to follow the steps that we used to set it up in reverse. So we'll start by taking the lights off of the tree. Be sure to hold on to the hardware that you used to set up the lights so that nothing goes missing. Then we can break down the arms of the stand by pushing out the pins, and then from there we could bring each arm down. You can reinsert the pins to keep them from hanging off. Then to take the tree off of the stand, we're gonna loosen up the knob on the side here, and then we can pull the tree out just like this and set it down. Once we've taken off each of the pieces, we can place them inside of the included travel bag. So we can take the tree here, place it inside the bag, place the extension arm inside, and we also might recommend placing the hardware inside as well so it doesn't go missing. Then we can zip the bag shut, and now we're all set to bring the ACCT to the next gig or event, or to pack it away. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to break down your ACCT. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.